Hey friends, I'm really excited to let you know that my latest box from Japan has arrived, and I'm going to do a quick unboxing video with you and show you all the good stuff. Here we go. Okay, friends, I have my box all cut open. So let's see if we can get just a little bit more. Oh yes. Get all the paper off the top. Oh yes. All right. Sorry, this is going to be on a little bit of an angle, but hopefully you can see what's in here. Look at all the pretties. So since we pretty well sold out of this lovely Daruma at, where was I? Oh yeah, Palmetto. Hey, we're going to be completely restocked. So as soon as I have time, I will get this up on the website. Probably be tonight or tomorrow, whatever. By the time this video goes up, it's definitely going to be on the website. And then these were back ordered last time, but look at these awesome Sashiko kits. This is kit number 313. So if you're trying to find it on the website, I'm trying to remember to put that kit number on them so you can find them faster. But look at that. Isn't that great? Love that. Let's see what else is in here. Mostly it's a lot of thread. I had to order a lot of thread. Oh, I did have a request for a few of these bobbin and shuttle cases. So I grabbed a couple more of those. Okay, I grabbed like 4 of those. Because I was just totally out of them. And then, ooh, what's this? Whoop! And then the button bases. So if you were hoping to get more of the wooden button bases, those will be up on the website again soon. As will, hang on, all of the, boom, metallics. So all these little white boxes this time they're metallics. So you guys bought all of them at Palmetto Tat Days, and I wanted to make sure that I had these back in stock for some of the other events that I do. So I ordered lots to try to make sure that I had it. But for best selection, remember to order online because that's where we have all the stuff up. So yeah, look at all the... Oop. And then this, what's in here? Oh, yes. And then these, so these are the big bags, but we break these out into individuals. These are the fabulous little button bases. So these are actually plastic, but they have notches on the back. So if you are doing Dorset buttons, then I have both the wood and the plastic versions of those button bases ready to go back up on the website. And again, you guys like bought out all of them again. So I just didn't have any. So we will be restocked on button bases, and we will be restocked on these cases, restocked on the owie, restocked on all of the metallics. And then I do have, I think in the very bottom of this, let me double check. I have some books in here too. Now some of my books hadn't arrived by the time they were ready to ship me in my box. So we are going to have to wait for a few books to be restocked, but I did my best. Let's see what, oh yeah. So that one's going to be, is that Gentle Tatting? Oh yes, that's my new favorite. So that one, you can't see it, but that is Gentle Tatting by Tomoka Morimoto. So I will have more of that in stock. Anyway, this is all going to go up on the website. I will hopefully have this out in a newsletter to you very soon, so you can see all the lovelies that came back in. And I'm sorry, I just don't have a great setup out here to like dig into the very bottom of the boxes. But isn't this fun? Look, we're just going to throw all the thread around. Throw it around. Anyway, so yeah, there we go. Just a quick little unboxing video. And don't forget, don't forget to go visit the website. Check out all the fun stuff. Make sure that you're on the newsletter list. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, all the good places. And I'll see you guys again very, very soon. So thanks again, and I will see you later. Take care of yourself mentally, emotionally, physically, and craftually. All right, bye.